So guys only ever want to lift weights and bench press and bicycles and shoulder presses, but
I'm challenging him to my booty workout. HIIT style booty workout.
HIIT style booty workout. I hope you enjoy it, everybody. Peace.
For those of you that watch my videos, this is becoming a fairly familiar sight in the car, but I just finished my wife's let's call it booty workout. It was tough. I honestly don't know if I'm going to be able to walk tomorrow morning, but yes, I enjoyed it. It was good and was a challenge.